Okay, you guys, hi, and welcome back to my closet. I am coming on because I wanted to do a quick, basically, unboxing. Before this part, or maybe after, who knows, I'll show you guys what it came like, what it looked like in the packages when I actually got it shipped to me, because I ordered from Guess for the first time. And I'll do a quick story time about Guess and why I want to share this with you guys in the first place. I ordered from Guess. I ordered me a pair of shoes, a purse, and a matching wallet, or close enough matching wallet. But anyway, when I reflect on my life, I can only remember purchasing 2 things from Guess in my life. One of them is really not even Guess. It's G by Guess, which they're all dusty, was these pair of shoes, and I fell in love with them because I just love the shape of them with the stud. And I believe in my mind, I don't know, like I said, I don't shop from Guess a lot, but I'm thinking G by Guess is a little bit cheaper than the Guess line. That's just what I'm assuming. I know other designers like Sam Edelman, he makes shoes, but then he also has Circuits by Sam Edelman, which is a little bit cheaper than just the Sam Edelman brand. I'm just assuming G by Guess is exactly that. But it's those shoes, and a long time ago when I was like 18 or 19 years old, I wanted to buy my first name brand purse, and I bought that from Macy's, and that was a Guess purse, a little black purse. I don't have it, I have no idea where it is now, but those are the only 2 items. So other than that, I've never shopped Guess. So you might ask, why are you buying Guess today? I'm glad you asked. Let's talk about it. So over this Black Friday, over Thanksgiving into Black Friday, of course, they had a ton of sales, and some of them are still going on today. They had a lot of sales. And one of the things I was wanting to add to my wardrobe that I do not have was a pair of white chunky sneakers. Now, I searched online, I searched like Champs, I searched Nike.com, places like that. I even got on Dolls Kills, I got on Shein, I got on Misguided. I think I even looked at some stuff from ASOS, all over the place, and I just really couldn't find a pair that I really liked. And I was really looking for a pair that reminded me of the Chanel white chunky sneaker, but of course I can't afford a Chanel chunky sneaker. I believe those sneakers are like $900. It ain't happening for me. So since I couldn't find any going to the stores that I thought to look at, or any that I liked at those stores, Shein actually had a pair that I thought was cute, but with their sizes being off, I'm a true size 9 in my tennis shoes, or sneakers, or shoes in general really, unless they're flats. And I was with the reviews, it was saying things were running small, so I just didn't have time for it. So I decided to just Google it. So I literally Googled white chunky sneakers, and I was scrolling through them, and I came across these from Guess. So, and I thought they were cute, so let's jump into it. I need to turn it around because it's backwards. I'll show you. I showed the box, but this is what it is. I know it's coming up backwards because it is backwards, but this is the box that came in. I'm recording on my phone, y'all, so y'all know. That's why. And it just looks like this. When you open it, it has some Guess paper. And this, oh, these are really cute. They look huge. Y'all, I'm still struggling. I don't know if a size 9 is a big foot or a small foot. But this is the sneaker. And I'll have to turn my camera and show it to you guys. I'll make sure to get footage of it the right way so y'all not looking at it backwards. I'm sorry. I'm on my phone. But these are the white chunky sneakers. I actually think they look cuter in person than they did online. And when I say I went back and forth over buying these for a while, but these were my favorite. I think they are so flipping cute, and the chunkiness is just yes. And I love the little Velcro part over the laces. Even the laces look really pretty to me. I just really love it. So of course I'm gonna try them on for you guys so you guys can see them on my feet. But so I came across these and I was like, I really like them. So the fact that I like them, and I was thinking you might as well buy them, because first off, when I was looking at the shoes like on Shein and ASOS and things like that, not that there's anything wrong with those brands, I think they were running about $30 or so. These on sale, I got them for $41.99. So that's a really good price. So they were $42. I know that they were on sale, and it doesn't show what they originally were, but I know they were on sale. So the original price was, I want to say it was around like $60 or $70 for these sneakers when they weren't on the Black Friday sale. Oh, I really love them. I really do. And as you guys will see, even the package that it comes in, they just came really they came packaged so well. Like, I was really impressed with how much detail they put into packaging them. So I think they're cute. They look freaking huge. So I'm hoping that's a good thing that they fit though. And I even think the box is cute. So since I decided to buy some chunky sneakers, I realized that, you know what? I never shop at Guess. Something on here. I was like, well, why don't I look at the bag? So I have a matching bag to kind of carry with them, because the style I was going for, as you can tell, these sneakers are perfectly it, because I didn't want to go for something too sporty like a Nike, because I was seeing some all-white Nikes, but they just felt way too athletic, like I need to be working out. I don't know, it just was a different vibe. And you guys understand, like, certain sneakers give you a different vibe, and I wanted a different vibe. I wanted elegant, I wanted mature, but I could wear these with a cute like sweatsuit as well, or put them on with like a cute dress. I don't know how to explain it, but I had a vision, and I still have a vision for these. And I have a try on haul coming from Fashion Nova, so keep your eyes peeled, hunty. Subscribe if you haven't, because they are definitely going to be in the try on haul. I visualize them with these outfits, okay, that I got coming. But anyway, while I'm babbling, sorry, excuse me, I decided to check out the bags. So I ended up buying, ooh, I think it's so cute, this bag. And I know it's backwards, but like I said, I'll film everything frontward, so you know, so y'all can see it. But this is the bag. I thought it was so cute. On here it says $49.99, but again, I got it on sale, so it's originally $50 and I got it for $29.99, so it is $30. And maybe the price of the sneakers are on here. Nope, they aren't. I wanted to see, but I really believe they were like $69.99 or something like that originally. So I was thinking, kind of bougie on a budget, right? Like, the make of the bag is so pretty and elegant, and I decided to give me a matching wallet. And the one that I decided on was this little one. And I know it's backwards again, and I believe this is the G by Guess, so it's a little cheaper, but I got it because it was the right color and the right size. This is just a little crossbody bag. It's not too big. I thought about getting a billfold, but I did not want it to take up all the space in the bag, because you know, you want to be able to put maybe your sunglasses in there, lip gloss, lipstick, of course your cell phone, whatever. So I was like, just get a, excuse me guys, just get a small wallet, which works perfectly, because here's the inside of the bag. I pulled out the main stuffing in here, but it's some stuffing in this little front pocket here. So you got the little front pocket, which I think would be great for your cell phone. And you got a little zipper compartment, and it's a magnetic collapse, so it, you know, comes comes together with a magnet, which I love. And the wallet is a perfect size, if you ask me. Let me get it in there so I can show you guys. Hold on, let's go. Let me see. So yeah, see how much space I still have with the wallet, and that's what's really what I was going for, because it's nothing like getting a purse and then your wallet is all you can fit in it and you can't fit nothing else. So I thought to go small. I have been really on this trend because I ordered me another purse. I ordered this one from Coach, so when that one comes, I'm going to share it with you guys, because I don't order from Coach neither. It was all random. Black Friday did it. But yeah, this is the bag, and I thought it was it's just a cute little vibe, you know? Like, I feel like when I wear this with like my little jogger outfits, I can put my little cute bag on there, because when I look at the fashion like of the Chanel sneakers, and they wear with a cute kind of like statement Chanel bag, but not like overly done, and sometimes it is overly done, I think it's so cute. I think you can have a simple sneaker and then this, and I'm learning a lot of tips on fashion, trying to look high-end, because I really love fashion, you guys, and I'm trying to get more confident in sharing my fashion with you guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I did not want to share this fashion. I was nervous, but anyway, those are the items I got, and I'm so excited to pair them together. And before I babble on too much more, I'm going to try the sneakers on and let you guys see how they look on my feet. So here, guys, is everything that I got from Guess, and I'm really impressed. Yeah, so be sure to let me know what you guys think. I think that the items are really cute. So there they are. These are so freaking cute to me. Perfect. And they look cute with the bag. Be sure to check them out. I hope you guys can find some you like. If you do actually check out their website, let me know if you shop Guess, or, you know, because I know if it was something going on with Guess, like you don't follow them because of any specific reasons. I just don't hear about them very often. And really, like I said, it was really random that I came across them. But out of these first few products I got, I would definitely be shopping with them again. So hope this is helpful. Stay blessed, stay motivated, stay close to God. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.